You guys ready to see the car? You guys ready to see the car? I know you're ready to see the car. You ready? You there? Boom! There we go, guys. It's a 2015 Audi R8 V10. This is a Spider. It's a convertible. Absolutely stunning car. Me and Jess are gonna take it out today. Just gonna fuck around for the day. It's been a long week, just been grinding, so we're just gonna chill out, go to Audi tonight, get some dinner. The steering wheel is fucking crazy, guys. Look at this thing. It's massive. We're in Beverly Hills right now. We're on Rodeo Drive. I just want to show you guys the car real quick. Look at this thing. That's the interior. Cool. Ooh! It's such a slick car, you feel me? This car is so mean and aggressive. I can't even stress that enough. Like, if you're gonna get an exotic car, make sure you guys get an R8, because this car is fucking insane. And it's only a 2015. So imagine what the 2020 is like. And this car, I think now is probably 80 to 90K. It's nothing too crazy, but yeah, man, you know the vibes. You're probably like, Div, can you just rev the fucking car already? Like, just rev the car. So I'm gonna have Jess here hop into the driver's seat so I can show you guys how fucking insane this car sounds, guys. You ready? Yeah. All right. Just hit the, make sure it's in park, obviously. Okay. And then just rev it. Yeah. Keep doing it. Do it again. So as you guys can see, it sounds crazy. We're definitely gonna get a couple of noise complaints. So let's get out of here before we get in trouble, yeah? Yeah, guys, we're on Rodeo Drive. Obviously, this is like the best of the best here in Beverly Hills. And there's some cool shops, man. If you have a little bit of money, this is a great place to come spend and, you know, just have a good time. And Maserati. That car's sick. How many times can you say farmer's market vibes? 10 times fast? Farmer's market vibes, farmer's market vibes, farmer's market vibes, farmer's market vibes. That's hard. Alright, guys. Peter Piper picked a pepper and it's...
I don't know about that.
Peter Piper picked a pepper, pickle... Pepper something? Guys, what comes after Peter Piper picked a pepper? The things that go through our brains on Sundays. Quit, chillin'. You know the vibes. We're at the farmer's market today in where are we? Melrose Place. This is probably one of the most like iconic marketplaces in LA. Every Sunday morning, I think around 10 o'clock it opens. They got hella vegetables, hella fruit, amazing food. And it's just good vibes, man. It's good Sunday vibes. So we're gonna go eat some shit and then probably go work out because we gotta work out no matter what day it is. Okay?
But damn, it really is not sweet at all. Some apples for our hike.
Dim apples? How you like them apples?
Dim apples. I like them in pie. That's how I like them.
This R8 is so much fucking fun. If you guys haven't had a chance to drive one, it is literally the most incredible car. It's so mean and aggressive. And look at this thing. It's fucking beautiful. But anyways, guys, besides the car, I'm going to show you guys this amazing development that's happening right off of Melrose Place. It's right behind me. We got this huge building right here. As you guys can see, there's still a lot of work that's being done, but there's gonna be some amazing units in here that I can't wait to show you guys. And hopefully, you know, the developer will give me a chance to sell some of these bad boys. So there it is, guys, right there. New Young Blue featuring Drake. Thumbnail.